Hi, Oratile. Thanks so much for your question. Now, what they mean when they say that we should make these equivalent fractions with the denominators as a base of 10, what they mean is that we should look at our denominator. Let's look at 4 over 5. And we're going to try and take 5 and take it to the closest 10 that you could possibly find in this solution. So what we can do here to get 5 to 10, what we can do is we can multiply, right? We're going to multiply here by 2, and 5 times 2, that's going to give us 10. But what we do at the bottom, we do at the top. So we'll multiply by 2 there. So what we're going to get here is 4 over 5 is actually equivalent to 8 over 10. And this makes it a lot easier for us to write this as a decimal, because we know 8 over 10 is the same as 8 divided by 10. And that just means us moving the comma from this side of 8, one side over there, which means our decimal over here is going to be 0.8. So this 10 here makes it a lot easier for us to see. Let's see what 9 over 20 will look like. Now, this one is also a bit tricky because I can do one of two things. And let's look at what would happen if we did both of them. Now, to get 20 to the nearest 10, I can divide here by 2, right? And if I divide 20 by 2, I'm going to get 10. And that works perfectly for us. That's very good. But if I divide 9 by 2, I'm going to get 4.5. And this isn't so nice for us to have in a decimal. Okay? So what we can do in this case is, instead of divide by 2, let me remove all of this. So instead of dividing by 2, how about we try multiplying to make 20 equal to 100. So if we want to make 20 equal to 100 as an equivalent fraction, we'd have to multiply by how much? By 5, exactly. And then we multiply by 5 on the top as well. And that equivalent fraction will be equal to 20 multiplied by 5. That is going to be 100. And then we're going to divide here. 9 multiplied by 5 is going to be 45. And now we can turn this into a decimal. Remember, we count how many zeros we have. So we see that we've got 1, 2 zeros. So we're going to move our comma that's on 45 2 times. So our comma is sitting right here at the end of 45, and we're going to move it 1, 2. So our decimal is going to be 0.45. And this is how we solve for these particular kind of sums. I hope this was helpful. If you need any more help, just shout. All the best.